Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. First and foremost, I want to say a happy belated birthday of Miss Cheryl Faulkner. Sorry I didn't get this out yesterday. Just got to say we've been sending you all our strength and prayers these last few months. And I just want to let you know we're going to keep you in our thoughts and prayers. And I want to also let you know, I don't know how God's going to do it. I don't know when he's gonna fix it. Yeah, I only know God's gonna make a way for you. Yes, sir, he's gonna make a way. Can't wait to see you again, young lady. Right here, we're finna start planting some potatoes, which I have some from last year that's sprouting. So we can go ahead and use those. First, we're gonna add some compost, some bone meal, some blood meal, and a little nitrogen. Not too much, just a little. In the hole of each one, we will be putting some bone meal and some blood meal. And we put some granulated ironite, which is 12-10-10 on top. Already. Right. I don't cut my potatoes. I leave them whole. My thinking is more nutrients to feed off of. I think the bigger the potato you'll get, the more potato you get. Just my thinking. People got their own way to do stuff. That's the way I do it around here. Potatoes are root crops, so you always want some of that phosphorus. So that's what the bone meal's for. Huh?
Can I use this lid to set this on when it's in the house? So when I water it?
Yeah. A bed this size really is for, I would say, like greens. Because you're going to have to constantly be walking in this a bed like this. So I usually keep a path, a wood chip path Don't have one right now. Had to put wood chips down. But yeah, and then wood chips, they also break down and they feed your soil. So what's better than that? They also say wood chip, they rob the soil from nitrogen. Yes, it is, if it mixes in the soil. But at the same time, you should always be replenishing your soil anyway. Like a bed like this, I'm always adding leaf mulch, which is shredded leaves. I'm always adding compost, wood chips. So really ain't a problem. And when they start coming up and I need to hill them up, I hill them up with either wood chip compost, and then I put wood chips on top of that. Now I'll just go back with some of this ironite. It's 12, 10, 10. Granulated fertilizer. I can get it open. Potatoes, they're heavy feeders. Or you want to feed them good. Those are just a little crop. I also plant potatoes in places where I got deep mulch, like around the fruit trees. The thing I do, I'll just move the compost aside, and then I'll pile it back up with compost. Then I'll put the wood chips on top of that, and I'll just keep letting it pile up. Very muddy. It's been raining around here around almost a week and a half. So ain't been much time outside. Much stuff going on. Been out here doing a little stuff. Strawberry beds, starting to rake that up, raking all the little ones out, starting to clear some of them. I'm gonna have to start getting some cleared out. Too many in this bed, and then I'll just build see how it's uneven. The soil don't rush down. I'll build all that back up with broken down wood chips, some of that rich soil, and get these berries off for a better start, to a good start. Yeah. That's all we doing here. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. The Oldham Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Growing is my passion. Hey, Miss Cheryl, we always thinking about you. Y'all stay blessed.